Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to recreate the look that Shay Mitchell had on when she attended the Golden Globes. This is, I hope the camera will pick it up, but this is kind of the look that she had. It was red lips, lots of lashes and lots of highlight going on. So I hope you guys enjoyed this recreation, and just to let you know that the makeup that was on Shay Mitchell was done by none other than Tarte, whose makeup I love so much. He's a celebrity makeup artist. When he posted Shay's picture on Instagram, I died and I was like, yes, I need to recreate this look right now. So if you guys are interested to see how I recreated Shay's look, then let's just get started. Okay, let's get started with the eye makeup first. So that's why I have zoomed you guys in very close. So before we get started, I have already done my eyebrows. Now Shay's eyebrows are pretty thick in the picture. So yeah, that's how I've drawn my eyebrows today. This is as thick as I can go. Yeah, if it's any thicker, it's just gonna look weird on me. So yeah, let's just get started. Going to take Urban Decay Primer Potion in Fix. I'm gonna take that all over my eyes. Okay, and then we're gonna blend it out. Okay, next I'm gonna take this Fit Me powder from Maybelline. So I just use that to kind of just blend out the edges. And this will actually help our shadows blend better. Going to use my Jaclyn Morphe palette today. Going to take this shade right here. This is like a nice warm transition shade. Start buffing. Now Shay's eye makeup was not really that heavy because all the focus is actually on the lips. So that's what we're gonna do as well today. And her eyes were pretty much like a bronze eye. It wasn't very smoky either. Pull out the eyeshadow a little bit, like how I'm doing here, because she had a definite like triangular shape happening. So that's what I'm doing today. I'm going to go in with these two shades right here. These are the two bronzy shades. One is a little bit more of a gold and one is has a more cooler undertone. So we're going to mix the two shades. I'm going to take this shade right here. Going to take the brown shade beside that again, just in the outer corner, just to intensify the look a little bit. And run it through the crease again. For sure she had a brown liner in the waterline. So that's what I'm going to do right now. Marc Jacobs brown liner. It was a little bit of a warmer brown, so I'm going to add this Urban Decay liner. This is from last year. The waterline again. Going to go in with these two brown shades again and run that in the lower lash line. Next we're going to add mascara, and I'm going to add my Volume Lash Paradise mascara from Loreal. I'm gonna run that a little bit in the bottom line as well. Last step, we're gonna add false lashes, and then I'll zoom back out and we'll get started on the face. So for lashes today, I'm going to use these House of Lashes in the style Featherette. Now that we have our lashes in place, I'm going to get started with the face makeup. I did go ahead and just tightline the lash band just to kind of hide that lash band. So going in with the face, she had a really glowy face, you know, with like a strong highlight, and yeah, just beautiful makeup. So I'm going to get started with this NARS Hot Sand Illuminator. It's just like a shimmery base, and just going to apply that with my hands. A foundation, and I'd like to keep the foundation medium coverage just because it's like a red carpet look, an event look, so you want to go slightly like medium coverage, not necessarily like full cake on coverage, because she looked radiant and healthy, not like too cakey. So I'm going to mix in two foundations today, the Fenty foundation and my Wet n Wild foundation. Now that we have our foundation in place, going to go in with concealer, and I'm going to take my Kevyn Aucoin concealer. Just to keep things a little bright. Going to blend it in with my Real Techniques brush. Let's just keep this in the center. I'm going to go ahead and use a cream highlight. Now I'm going to use this CoverFx highlight in Sunlight. This is how the dropper looks like. So in the original makeup, Patrick used Iconic drops. Those are the Illuminator drops. So I'm just going to use my CoverFx one because it's pretty much exactly the same. And I'm actually going to just blend it in with my fingers. And I'm not going to put as much. So next we're gonna go ahead and powder our face a little bit. Underneath the eyes, I'm gonna take this RCMA No Color powder. Going to take this Tarte contour palette right here, just for chiseling out my cheekbones, and I'm going to use the same kind of angle brush. Going to go in with this shade right here called Angle. The jawline as well. Going to contour my nose as well, and I'm going to take this shade right here. This is called Princess Cut. Next up, we'll bronze our face, and I'm going to use my Guerlain Terracotta bronzer. I'm going to take that on a Japanese brush. Next up is blush, and I'm going to take this Tom Ford blush, and this is in the shade Ravish, and I'm going to just take that on an angled brush. So what that does is it gives that kind of lifted look. Before I go on to the lips, I'm just going to use my L'Oreal Gilded Honey Illuminator just on the high points of the face. Just where I put that CoverFx highlighter. Center of the nose and just here. We are going to go on and tackle the lips now. Going to take my Urban Decay liner in 714. So the lipstick that Patrick used is like a red orange lipstick, so we're going to do that. This is Tell Laura from Charlotte Tilbury, and it's like your red orange. Just back with my lip liner. So I'm going to add a little bit of shimmer in the inner corner of my eyes. I'm going to use this shade right here from the Natasha Denona palette. So that's it, guys. That is the finished look. I hope you guys like this Shay Mitchell Patrick Ta inspired makeup look. It looks really beautiful, really sparkly, really glowy, and you know, very much contoured. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my makeup channel so that you can come back here for more good content. I hope you have a lovely day or evening wherever you are, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye guys.